Oh, it's just a thing. I thought we had a freight on then. Hello and welcome back. So we got another fast one on. I thought for a second then we got some freight. Hey, I like this flipping gimbal. It's flipping not bad. I kept seeing him for ages on YouTube. People have got these gimbals, and even I were like, "What the bloody hell's a gimbal?" But they were alright. Not bad bit of kit really, and it weren't too expensive. Off a good old Amazon. You see, with the gimbal I bought, it's AOC HUAN. HUAN. I don't know how you pronounce it. I don't know. It might be. So we got a Eleonora Zoomer Beast. And I'm a bit wobbly. Just a quick video, just giving you a little look at Thirsk. So this is Thirsk station in North Yorkshire. It's not a bad little station. It's quite quiet. Not many people on. I weren't sure if there'd be any other train spotters on today, but yeah. So just a little look. I mean, that bridge, that I might try it on there. That looks good. Get some good shots on there. Because the guy I watched on YouTube, I think he was kind of on bridge. So yeah, just gonna do some more, and then I need to see what time trains are back as well, because I'm gonna have to go back to York, and then from York to Doncaster. Got a cross-country Voyager. Got another Azuma Beast. Got zoom on this, is very good. Hello and welcome back. We got a Transpennine class 185 to Redcar Central here at Thirsk. Hello and welcome back. We've got another one on. Has it got a green light? Okay, it's got a bit cold. Signal line changed. Got another one on. Been shouting now still. Why is it on red? Oh, it's because that train's just left in it. So let's see let's see what train it is first. Thought there might have been some good freight today, but I think it's just one's passing. He's got a double amber double hammer. It can go past at caution, go past at caution. So I think it's a class 803 Lumo one, I think. Yeah, it's a class 803 Lumo one. Hello and welcome back. The next train is a class 185 Transpennine service to Dewsbury. Just departing here at Thirsk. That's what I need to get back to York. When I go back to York. Very quiet. I can't believe how quiet it is on here. Hello and welcome back. So we got a Grand Central station here at Thirsk. So sorry, am I in your way? Can't believe there's no toilets. How dare they? Yeah, there's no toilets on here. It's like shit, where are you meant to go? Sorry, pal, anyway. So we got this Class 180 ready to depart, and then we've got another fast one coming, which is on what service is it? Might be in the Zuma Beast.